What's up? It's your girl Simply Chic, and I am back with another hair video. Let's see ya. What's up? I'm back with another wig video, and it's another Outre wig. Actually, no, this is not Outre. Yes, this is Outre. It's another Outre wig. She's called Isabella. We have her in the color 1B. This is a part of the Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig collection, I guess. Okay, so she is a bob. It's summertime. So I figured bobs, summer. I get my drift. So let me go ahead and take her out the packaging. I wish I could have got her in the color that the model is wearing, but they were sold out. So, okay, so here's the makeup of the wig. It has 2 combs on the side, and actually has one of these adjustable straps, so that's perfect. Oh my gosh. I mean, this, what is this called? One of those things to like help it adhere to your head, and it has a comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So, that's pretty cool. I like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this lace and whatever before I even try it on, because the last wig was definitely like tight. So it may be the same case with this wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off first, and then we'll go ahead and, you know, try it on. It has the informational card. I just cut that off. And I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and cut this lace off. I done dropped the whole damn wig. Okay, so let me get it back together. So I'm gonna put this on first. And then, let me look in the mirror so I can see. Okay, this one is actually really loose in the front. I mean, not loose. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is comb her down. This hair feels really good, like legit. And I'm going to clip the baby hairs in the front right here, because it's not gonna match. I wish I had some freaking lace tint. I'm gonna go and invest in some lace tint, because it would do these wigs some justice. Let's go ahead and clip these just a little bit. I'm gonna get my edge control. Just put a little bit on here, just so I can kind of mimic my baby hairs a little bit. So, and then I'm gonna, yeah, I'm in here my daughter now, which, I mean, y'all know she's 6 months now, so baby girl is working on vocal cords, you know what I'm saying? I am sure, let me see, if I spray this on it, would it like take away that brightness? Because baby, oh, I like this. Let me see if I can put it behind the ear, because y'all know that's my jam. That's, well, y'all may not know, but that's my jam, to have one side behind the ear. And because this is showing, I'm just gonna like tuck it in, because I'm not going to like pull this down and whatever. Oh yeah, What? Oh yeah, I am feeling her. Oh yeah, and it's easy to, do y'all see her? Do y'all see her? Wow, she's cute. Let me show y'all the back. Hopefully y'all can see it very well. Oh yeah, I'm really, you know, I'm glad I got this in my hair color, because only thing is I kind of want this to kind of like just be flat. This side is cool, but I kind of just want this to be flat. And I think you can put heat to it, but once again, I'll fact check myself before, I will fact check myself and put it in on the screen somewhere. But she is cute. This is a nice bob. I will put the price of it on the screen as well, because y'all know I'm into the affordable looks for cheap. These good looks for affordable prices. Okay, so yeah, this is how the hairline is looking. Sorry, she cut off. Now the hairline looks light, and once again, like I said before, you can get some lace tint or something to like dim it up and whatever. That's the plan. I'm gonna get something to like really have these knots, but it don't look bad. If you ask me, it don't look bad. I'm looking in the mirror right now. I will for sure walk out the house right now just like this with no problem. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was nice, short, sweet, and to the point. And until next time, your girl Simply Chic is up out of the building. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.